microneedling machine. It's more or less the same like the other one. And this one is much simple. And this one is also very popular these days in the beauty salons and very easy to operate. And also, you see, there are many functions. Why? Also needs to be combining with the cosmetics together. And depends what kind of cosmetics you are using. It will have the correct result. The same is like open the skin and helps the skin to absorb enough cosmetics. You will have a very good result. The result is coming from the cosmetic itself. Because normally there are many cosmetics, it has many good functions, many nutritions. But if our skin cannot absorb properly, then we waste it. And the result is not as good as we expected. So that's why this type of machine is coming out and starting to become very popular.